Choosing the right PC case fan is key to ensuring your system stays cool and runs efficiently. In this list, we've highlighted the best PC case fans of 2025, offering top-notch performance, low noise, and excellent airflow for your build. Let's check out the top picks. Number 5. We have the Arctic P12 Silent, an affordable PC case fan designed for quiet operation. Ideal for heatsinks and radiators, this minimalist fan can rotate at speeds of up to 1050 RPM, thanks to its high-quality bearings. It's optimized for efficient cooling, delivering up to 24.1 CFM of airflow to keep your components cool. Even at full speed, the fan maintains a quiet noise level of just 38 decibels, ensuring a peaceful gaming experience. With a typical voltage of 12 V, it doesn't consume much power from your motherboard, while still offering excellent performance. At this price, the Arctic P12 Silent is one of the best PC case fans available. Number 4. We have the purewings 2 from Be Quiet, a super sound PC case fan that brilliantly maintains the performance of your gaming rig. To give your perspective about a super quiet operation, it keeps the noise level as low as 19.2 weighted decibels, even when rotating at a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. Besides, the airflow level is also admirable, as you will get about 51.4 CFM from this thing to keep your rest assured about keeping your components cool. The millimeter fan itself looks subtle and offers PWM controls, all thanks to its 4-pin connectivity, while the IC motor controller further slashed down the electrical noises. We also want to talk about this fence rubberized frame that shows the funnel-shaped design and will go along with most PC cases hassle-free. If you're a gamer who likes to preserve the peace of your gaming atmosphere, then we highly recommend the Be Quiet purewings 2 for you. Number 3. We have the LL120 RGB by Corsair, an ARG case fan that delivers excellent airflow, quiet operation, and powerful landing effects. The 120mm ARG fans are engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance and will enable you to play games with greater focus. Moreover, you can adjust the rotation speed between 600 to 1500 RPM to balance noise and airflow. It features dual light loops with 16 vibrant RGBs on both the perimeter and the hub to help you create a dynamic lighting environment. And with the Corsair IQ software and the included Lighting Note Pro, these RGB fans are capable of offering you an insane amount of lighting effects to sync well with the rest of your Corsair peripherals. If you prefer customizing gaming peripherals precisely, then you'll find the Corsair LL120 RGB fans a perfect fit for you. Coming up at number 2. We have the Phanteks D30, a performance-intensive PC case fan with a premium build quality. You heard that right, this fan is made of reinforced liquid crystal polymer that enables it to have a rigid and extremely durable build quality. On top of that, the 0.5mm design gap ensures stable airflow inside of your case. The blades are comparably 25% larger than standard fans, which further increases cooling. The dual VAP bearing together with 3-phase motor and magnetic plate ensures amazing durability for years to come. While at maximum speed, you can expect up to 101 CFM of airflow from this fan. Talking about speed, it has a total of 3 PWM profiles where you can get up to 1200 RPM in hybrid mode, 2000 in performance, and 3000 in advanced mode. If performance is what you're craving for, then we highly recommend the fantastic T30 fans for you. And finally, number 1. We have the NF-A12x25 PWM from Noctua, a premium PC case fan with a unique color scheme and outstanding overall performance. Noctua has put greater focus on aerodynamics as they're made of metal-reinforced motor hubs and have advanced equation optimization, which is the reason behind its ultimate performance and quieter operation. The flow acceleration channels together with ultra-tight tip clearance results in amazing cooling performance. Talking about performance, it can spin at up to 2000 RPM with a substantial airflow level of 60 CFM and a low noise operation of only 18.8 dBA, which makes it a performance all-rounder. What's more, it comes with an anti-vibration gasket that will come in handy when pairing this fan up with water cooling radiators. To sum things up, the Noctua NF-A12x25 PWM is simply a superb PC case fan with uncompromised cooling performance, admirable airflow, and practical design language, which might overall be the best option for you.